This is one of those builds that expanded from a simple handle alteration to a complete overhaul. We call in JD Customs for this beautiful cowl, and to kind of just rounded up the entire transition of this Caferacer. And then we had these beautiful T120 exhaust cans that we plonked on this one. You gotta hear these pipes, they're quite mad. We added a few pretty parts from Pathpavers. The CNC turn signals, super compact, really bright. The Motone tail lamp, the CNC grips. We shaped and shaved the rear hoop to the last possible point. We did not really make a new hoop, but we just reordered the rear. And then it was Guy. We handed over the cutoff seat to Guy Craft, who's a leatherman, and he really did a fantastic job with the saddle. It's been great working with Happy, who's been tirelessly working with me to put everything together in place, and has been listening to everything that I've been kind of asking him to do. We have tried, tested, changed, altered so many parts at so many different times. You can't really make something like this without guys like this. I mean, custom bikes wouldn't come around if you did not have the right attitude and the right feel for doing something new. And here we have it, a complete Caferacer character. Sounds beautiful, rides sublime, and yeah, we would like to have a 17-inch rear end with a fatter rear section, maybe a different suspension setup. But probably those are the things we'll eventually get doing on this one, because a custom build never really ends. But for now, this is how she looks, and we just can't stop staring at her and taking pictures of her.